How to fix Excel not auto-calculating formulas. Here are some tips to troubleshoot Excel formulas not auto-calculating. Check if manual calculation is enabled under Formulas Calculation options. Set it to automatic to enable auto-calculate. Look for circular references in formulas which cause Excel to disable auto-calculate. Trace precedents to find and remove such circles. Ensure your file does not contain too many formulas that are slowing down calculation. Break it into smaller files if needed. Disable multi-threading calculation under File Options formulas if enabled. Sometimes it can bug and cause issues. Make sure your file does not contain too many conditional formats, array formulas, or linked pictures which can slow Excel. Check for any add-ins or COM add-ins. That may be interfering with calculation. Disable them if needed. Ensure your Excel version is up to date. Older versions had calculation engine limitations. Try recalculating all sheets manually using the Calculate Now button under Formulas tab. As a last resort, repair your Office installation or reinstall Excel to fix potential corrupted files. Following these troubleshooting steps should help resolve formula calculation problems in Excel. Make sure to save your file periodically.